Today, we're doing some bulk freezer meal prep work. Specifically, we're bagging up some vegetables that can be pulled out of the freezer later and turned into either vegetable or chicken broth. This day, I ventured to the store, but usually I use Walmart's free grocery pickup service. If you're a first-time customer, use the link in the description box below for Walmart's grocery pickup. I'll get $10 for referring you, and you'll get $10 off of your first order. Make sure to subscribe to A Great Cooker so that you don't miss any of our Instant Pot recipes. Peel the onions and garlic and wash the carrots and celery. Then divvy up the ingredients among the freezer bags. Exact measurements aren't necessary. Before freezing, make sure that the gallon-size freezer bag will fit inside of the inner pot of the Instant Pot. Then the bags are ready to be placed in the freezer. If you're looking for fast and tasty breakfast recipes, make sure to check out my book, Easy Healthy Smoothies, 65 Quick and Delicious Recipes by Sophronia Wallace. Find the link below.